So guys, for the first method, you want to right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. If it doesn't let you right click on your taskbar, then you want to click on Control, Shift and Escape on your keyboard, which will then open the Task Manager. And now once you run this, if you can see Windows Explorer, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Your screen's going to go black, then it's going to return to normal again. See if that works. For the second method, click on Run New Task. You want to tick this box, and now in here you want to type in CMD and then click on OK. And now once you run this, you want to type in SFC /scan now and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to click on Control, Alt and Delete on your keyboard. Control, Alt, Delete, which will then pull up this. Click on the power icon and then click on Restart. You want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.